SmartDispute.ai Credit Repair Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to our full review of SmartDispute.ai. All product links are included in the description below. SmartDispute.ai is a cutting-edge AI-powered credit repair software designed to simplify and automate the credit repair process for both individuals and businesses. Whether you're a DIYer looking to repair your personal credit or a professional running a credit repair agency, SmartDispute.ai offers a suite of powerful features to help you succeed. One of the main features of SmartDispute.ai is its AI-driven automation, which analyzes your credit reports from all three major bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, to identify and dispute negative items automatically. This helps save significant time compared to manual disputes, which can be tedious and error-prone. Additionally, SmartDispute.ai generates personalized dispute letters tailored to the unique details of each report, ensuring a high degree of accuracy and compliance. The software also provides ongoing credit monitoring, allowing users to track their credit progress and receive updates on dispute resolutions. For credit repair businesses, SmartDispute.ai offers multi-user functionality, client management tools, and the ability to manage large portfolios efficiently. The system also integrates with popular CRM platforms, providing a seamless experience for managing leads and clients. A standout strength of SmartDispute.ai is its AI capabilities, which continually improve the system's performance by learning from past disputes and optimizing future actions. This AI-driven approach delivers faster, more efficient results than traditional credit repair methods. However, while SmartDispute.ai excels in automation, one weakness is its learning curve for new users. The advanced features may take some time to fully understand, especially for those without prior experience in credit repair. Additionally, while the AI provides efficiency, it might lack the personalization some users expect for more complex disputes. Overall, SmartDispute.ai is a powerful, efficient, and innovative solution for credit repair. It's especially well suited for users who want an automated, AI-driven system that takes the heavy lifting out of the credit repair process. Check the description for pricing, trials, and more.